Either strike with the palm or the leg, and quickly retract after the strike. Strike the leg quickly. Use the yin-yang energy of Liangyi Kung Fu. Utilize agile and vibrating power. Use trembling and vibrating force. This is called an entry strike. Since the opponent is in a horse stance, they are easiest to knock down. At this moment, the opponent has overextended. Their internal energy is depleted. It is easy to strike their pressure points. You can use either direct or twisting force. All variations stem from the same principle. Form 2. Sweeping hand. Demonstration. Technique breakdown. Next, we demonstrate the second form of Chow Shou is sweeping hand. This move is called sweeping hand. When the opponent attacks me, whatever stance the opponent uses, I match it with my own. If they vibrate, I vibrate. This is called breaking the hand. Let's watch that again.